Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to turn off the Q&A event in Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and what we want to do initially is simply go to our profile. The button's at the bottom right. I'm simply gonna click on it, and this page opened up. Well, right here, do note that you can edit your profile by clicking on this pen-like icon right here. But right now, what we want to do is simply go to settings. The button's at the top right. I'm simply gonna click on it. It's a gear-like icon. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up. Well, there are lots of settings that you can use around from, but right now, what we need to do is simply turn off Q&A. I'm just gonna scroll down till I see something like Q&A. Right here, you can see something like Q&A events. And just below it, manage Q&A events. I'm gonna go to settings right here. Well, as you can see, it's currently enabled, and right now I just want to disable it. I'm just gonna toggle off this button right here. And guys, that's it. You have turned off Q&A event in Tinder. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.